Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix WhatsApp call not showing on device. So if you are not being able to see the WhatsApp call, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end now. Alright, so let's get started. It usually means that there is an issue on a network, settings, or even in the app itself. To fix it, make sure to switch your network from Wi-Fi to data, or if you're using data, then make sure to switch it from data to Wi-Fi. And also, go to Play Store or App Store on a device and click on the option of search and search WhatsApp and see if there is any update available. So if there is any update available and if you are not updated the app, then that may also be the issue that you are getting some type of error. So make sure to update it, and if you are still not being able to see the call, then you just need to go to settings on your device and you just need to search the WhatsApp app and click on the option of storage and click on the option of clear cache at the very bottom. So by doing it, you will be able to fix the issue which you are getting on an app and also help you to fix the box from the WhatsApp itself. So that's it. By doing all of it, you will be able to see the call once again on WhatsApp. So this is how you can fix the WhatsApp call not showing issue on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.